You can easily build your own form with no monthly fee, as you can see, and with all the code and everything included, so you can place it into any website that you want. So it's very easy when using this form builder to create your form that you can actually place into your website and get started up immediately. So what's the site called? It's called jqueryform.com. So you can easily create a form by clicking this button here, or going up here in the navigation and clicking create form. I'm just going to give you an overview of what's involved. So as you can see, there's a bunch of fields. For example, I don't want this field here, and I just want to create a regular contact form. So in this form, it's going to have name, email, phone number, subject, and the message. Let's get that started. As you come here to the left, you see that we have a lot of modules to choose from. I'm going to choose text and phone number. And we go back to field here. I can select paragraph. So now I have all the fields that I want to. As you can see, there's two fields here. One field is to select any of the modules, and other one is to make the edits. You can also click, hold and drag to move it to whatever area you want. For example, I would prefer to have the phone above the subject box, and also I would prefer to make these two required but not this one. To do that, I select the field. Here I'm going to change the label to subject, and I'm also going to make it required. Also, I want to make a restricted amount of text that's been put in here, so I can come down here to the validators, select max length, and I'm going to say 35. Here where it says paragraph, I'm going to delete where it says paragraph, and I'm going to put message. I'm also going to click required. So the form is done now. You could add more to it, but I'm going to leave it. In terms of editing, there isn't much to edit. And actually, I forgot to mention, here the button, I want to change that to send, because I prefer to say send. So you can change the text of the button. But in terms of styles, there is kind of some restrictions, but that's fine. And also, I could change the thank you message, but for this example, I'm going to leave it. So everything's completed. I'm happy with everything. I click here and on test and download, and I click OK. As you can see, there's an example shown of what it would look like, and you can see here it has the powered by jqueryforms.com right here. So to get rid of that, you're gonna have to pay for a license, but I'm just going to show you what it would look like on multiple devices. So as you see, there's a tablet and phone, and you can also open it up in a new window if you prefer. I'm going to leave it for now. So now we can just download the form and we can save it. I already have one saved, so I'm not going to bother with that. But as you can see, it says here, do you want to donate or have it for free? So for free, you can honor the creators by not use it for commercial use, and leave the copyright logo there. Or you can donate, which is, you can donate $5, but if you don't have that, it can be $1 or more, as long as you donate. The wonderful thing about this as well is it's very flexible in terms of the different type of sites you can put in, and there's also a plugin for the most used content management system in the world, which is WordPress. You can come here and download. And I'm going to go straight to one of my sites. As you can see, one of my sites, I've already installed it and downloaded it and installed it. And here you can see where it has a shortcode. You can just copy the shortcode and you can paste it in. And this is what it will look like when pasted in. So that's all. I just want to show you an overview of what the jQuery forms would look like. If we go back to the main page, you can scroll down and get a better idea of what you can do with it, like logos and also payments and other actions. So you're saving a whole bunch of money instead of spending a lot on forms if you're looking to create a basic form. But it does more than enough for what an average person would need to use a form for.